Approaching back to the cabin, there's a gentle flow of water that really creates a soothing melody, inviting you to embrace that moment. Walking up the stone stairway, which draws inspiration from the surrounding environment, you're met with intentional elements of peace. A space thoughtfully crafted for relaxation, a place to pause, to savor the scent of burning embers, and really immerse yourself in the calming ambience. From the inviting sauna to the welcoming fire pit. Stepping through the glass doors, you're embraced by the warmth and openness of the interior. The remarkable environment is expansive and cozy all at once. Crisp white accents complement the light-colored wood. It's really as though you've traveled to rural Scandinavia in just a few steps. In the living area, the fireplace radiates warmth all throughout the house, creating a perfect space to connect with nature. Through the expansive windows, you're bathed in natural light, fully immersing yourself in the thoughtful design. Here, nature, simplicity, and stillness converge, offering an unparalleled experience of peace.